Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to bookmark a website in Safari on Mac. We will also put links to great resources in the description below. Alright, so in order to bookmark a website in Safari on Mac, open Safari. So you can see that a small Safari icon at the bottom. I'm just going to click on that and open it. Once it is opened, you can see your existing bookmarks under favorites. So you will be able to see all your existing bookmarks under favorites. And now I'm going to add a new website as a bookmark. So in order to do that, we have to open the website you want to bookmark or add it to your favorites. So just go ahead and enter or type in the website address there. So in this case, I'm going to enter northwelltech.com. So I'm going to type in northwelltech.com here. Also, guys, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for great resources. All right, so I'm going to go to northwelltech.com. And once you are on the website, you can click on the bookmarks icon on the top. Not icon, the tab. You can see the bookmarks tab on the top. Just go ahead and click on bookmarks. And once you click on bookmarks, you will see a drop down, and the third option says add bookmark. So click on the third option that says add bookmark. That's one way to add a website as a bookmark. You can also click on the share icon on the top right corner of the screen. So you will see a share icon on the top right corner of the screen. And when you click on that, it will also give you an option for adding a bookmark. So you can see add bookmark there. You can add that at that website, bookmark that website by clicking on add bookmark there also. And now once you click on that, you will see a screen like this where it says add this page to favorites, and you can see it's Northwell Tech Home, and you can add a description if you like. So once you add a description, for in this case, I'm just going to type in northwelltech.com, and once you enter the description, if you don't want, you don't have to, but if you want to add a description, you can. And once you do that, you can click on the add icon on the right hand side. So not icon, the tab. I'm sorry, a button, like add button. You can click on the add button to add this particular website to your favorites. Alright guys, now I'm just going to open a new Safari window just to show you guys how you can view that particular website which we have added as a bookmark. So just click on new window and open a new window. By the way, don't forget to check the description below for great Mac deals. Alright, now you can see that the Northwell Tech website is appearing under favorites. So we just added northwelltech.com as a bookmark, and it is showing up under favorites. And you can also click on the show sidebar. When you click on the show sidebar, you can access the bookmarks from there also. That's another option. You can see that bookmarks, there's a drop down, and you can see favorites there also. Alright, I'm just going to click on the favorites. Now you can see all your bookmarks there. Now you can also see the Northwell Tech website there under favorites. Alright guys, so that's how you bookmark a website in Safari on Mac. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Thank you, guys. Love you. And also check out the resources section there on the website. And you will be able to see great sign up bonuses, great offers under resources section. Thank you, guys. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe.